So now let's see how we can work around with the export Docker inside of Corel Draw. So for that, I'm going to go around and create a new file first. So let's just go around and create this out right here. And then over here, you can see that I got a blank document. So let's just go around and create, let's say, for example, this particular graphics right here. And I'm going to go around and create another graphics right over here as well. And then I'm going to go around and select a few colors right here, just like this for the graphics right here. And let's just go around and right click and group them out right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and then make a bit of random graphics, as you can see right here, just like this. So let's say what I want to do is I want to export out these particular random graphics right here. So in that case, what I can do is I can go around and utilize something called the export Docker. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto Windows, and then you need to go around over here onto Dockers right here, and over here you can see that export is an option. So once you go around over here, you can click on this particular shape, as you can see right here, and then what you can do is you can go ahead and then you can add this out right here. Add the selection or the current page or all pages, as you can see right here. So let's add the selection, as you can see right here, and you can choose the format that you want to export this particular object into. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and save it out as a GIF right here, just like this. Then you can also go around onto settings for that particular object right here and choose the different options. Like you can go for 128-bit diff, you can go for 64-bit GIF right here, just like this, and so forth, as you can see right here. So just like this, this is what you have right here. You can also go for data and so forth, as you can see right here. You can also see the before and after of this particular format. But what you can also do is you can go around and change around the format. So this is in the GIF format, as you can see right here. You can also go around and then change this out to whatever you want. So let's say, for example, this is now what you have right here. You can also go around and add, let's say, for example, a JPG format. So let's just go around and add the selection as well. And this time it's JPG, as you can see right here. The format is JPG. You can choose around the color style right here. You can go for quality, which may be high or lowest, as you can see right here, just like this. And then you got that particular setting. So now let's say for this one, you want this exact setting. In that case, you can go around onto the three dot button and then add the asset with the setting right here, just like this. You can go around over here as well and add these assets in the same setting as well, just like this. And both of them are added in, as you can see right here, just like this. So now in case of these particular graphics, it's not grouped together, so it's added in separately. So apart from that, you can also go around and add in the current overall page as well, just like this, as JPG format right here. So now let's say I want to export out all of these. In that case, you can go around and click on export right here, and over here on my desktop, let me just select it out and then export out all right here. So now if I were to go around and see my desktop, you can see that I got an entire page of export right here, just like this. So let's just go around and then open this up with photos right here, just like this. And then you can see that this has been exported by using that particular setting that I have with the lowest quality right here. And you can see that this is what you have right here. So this is the entire page, and this is the GIF right here, just like this. So let's just go around and utilize this out. And you can see that this is the GIF with transparency right here, and this is the one with JPG right here. The individual objects that is are all exported according to the settings that I chose right there, just like that. And that is how you can utilize the export Docker inside of Corel Draw. So if you guys learned something, as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.